In this tutorial, we are going to tell you how to create AWS free account. Okay, so go to Google and just write here AWS console login. Okay, and it will open the first sign in. So I already have an account, but I'm going to create a new AWS account. You can just click over here, give your email address. So give an email address which you have not used earlier and which you have the access to. So an AWS account name, you can give your username of your email address as account name. Verify email address. Now open your email address and verify it. Yeah, we got this code. Okay, it has been successfully verified. Set some password. Okay, the next step is you have to give your basic details. So it is for the personal account. So give your name. I'm just giving my name, Mohit Singh, my phone number, my address, just provide your information and select the agreement. Next step, here you have to provide your credit or debit card information. So let me provide my information here. Okay. Okay. Confirm your identity. It will send a message to my phone number. So give your phone number here and okay, verify the code. Okay, so these are the three options, and so I will go for the basic support option. So in this you have the 24/7 self-service access to AWS resources, and this is $29 per month developer support, and business support for $100 per month. You can just keep the basic support and complete sign up. Wow, your AWS account is created. It's very simple. And now log in with your email address. Wow, you created your free tier AWS account. If you have any questions, please write in the comments, and please subscribe our channel and like our video. Thank you.